Lapit-lapit. Game. Birthday wish. Ate. Go, birthday wish for mommy. Come on, 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, mommy. Sana bumait ka lalo and...
Bumait ka lalo eh.
And stay healthy, God bless you.
Ay, sus! Thank you. How about Ate Duday? What's your wish for mommy? Sana, anong gusto mo mangyari kay mommy?
Sana mabait ka na.
Ha?
Ha?
Ano? Sa ano daw?
Sana mabait ka na.
Hindi ba ako mabait? Ha? Hindi ako. Galit ako. Ba't galit, mommy?
Kasi panay iyak.
Panay iyak. Okay, so iiyak ka pa. Okay. Ano pa wish mo kay mommy?
Love you.
You love me? I know you love me. Ano pa wish mo? Anong gusto mo mangyari kay mommy?
Healthy.
Healthy and?
Payat na.
Payat na. Thank you Salamat.
Mami, kaya.
Okay.
Happy birthday, ate. I wish na sana humaba pa yung buhay mo. Sobra-sobra. Tapos, i-bless ka pa ni Lord na para ma-provide mo lahat sa 4 months.
Yeah, thank you, Amar.
Copy paste.
Okay, thank you. Kuya. Anak, huwag mag... Where's Ate Duday? Follow Ate Duday, oh. Ate is there, oh. Broom, broom. Bye-bye. Beep, beep na, beep, beep. No. Broom, broom, ate. Happy, Amari? Happy. Ay, thank you. What's your wish for me?
To be happy always.
I love you. Thank you. I love you, Ate Sabi. Ate Amari, say happy birthday, Tita Ai. What's your wish for Tita? God bless you. Love you. Ay. Go long. Ay, galinga. Wow. Again, Ella, go back, go back. Wow. Ay, go! Ay, ang saya! Video tayo, video. Kaya ko ba? Takot ako eh. Hindi ko, si Tito Amar mo na ganyan? Si Kaka? Yan na. Okay. Wow, galing ah.